In this video, I'll show you how to screen mirror your iPad or iPhone to your Roku TV. First, make sure the Roku TV must be on the same Wi-Fi network as the iPad or iPhone. On the Roku TV, go to Settings. Scroll to Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. Make sure AirPlay is turned on. On the iPad, swipe down from the top right to open the control center. Tap Screen Mirroring, then select Roku Premiere. If a code pops up on your TV, just enter it on your iPad. This confirms the connection. Now the iPad screen is mirrored to the Roku TV. You can show videos, browse, or share content wirelessly. If you would like to stop screen mirroring, just return to Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring. For my iPhone, I need to swipe up from the bottom edge of the screen to open the Control Center. The rest steps for screen mirroring the iPhone are the same as those for the iPad. That's how to screen mirror any iPad or iPhone to your Roku TV. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know if you have questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.